Welcome to Content Distribution Issues, the fifth lesson of SEP14 Maintain and Troubleshoot. In this video, I'll walk you through how to troubleshoot and resolve content update issues between a client and management server. Let's get started. The SEPM content update process has multiple stages. On the first download, the SEPM stores a full content package for each operating system used in your organization. On the first download, the SEPM stores a full content package for each operating system type used in your organization. The following diagram shows you how content is optimized by generating forward and reverse deltas on subsequent downloads. When the SEPM and client have a content revision in common, the SEPM can use it as a base for a delta to send to clients. Clients can apply that delta to the same base locally to get the latest content. Deltas are typically much smaller than full packages, which results in major bandwidth savings. An incremental delta is a delta file of minimum size that can exist between two adjacent revisions available on the SEPM. There are two types of incremental deltas available. Incremental forward deltas allow the SEPM to create content changes between a previous and future revision. Incremental reverse deltas enable you to roll back revisions and have the client download the changes using a delta. See examples of both types on the screen. There are many reasons why content updates can fail, but I've shown some common scenarios between a client and management server. If you're migrating from SEP 12.1 or have 12.1 clients, review the live update settings in the site properties to ensure the SEPM can download legacy content. If the SEPM has outdated definitions, verify the SEPM can run a live update. It could also be a network issue, in which you need to ensure communication ports are open at the firewall. You can also examine proxy settings. For definition corruption, check for corrupt content in the live update downloads folder in inetpub directory. So let's apply the troubleshooting methodology to resolving content update issues between a client and management server. During the gather evidence phase, you gather logs. The screen shows log locations for the client and SEPM. When troubleshooting content update issues with the management server, start on the client first. If the issue impacts many clients, review the SEPM logs. After gathering evidence, the research phase begins. When researching a content update issue, establish a plan of action. If the issue appears to be with the SEPM, verify the SEPM has updated definitions and ensure the SEPM can download content. Review the logs to establish a timeline of recent download activity. If the issue appears to be with the clients, review the assigned live update policy. Verify the clients can connect to the SEPM and review the logs. If clients have outdated definitions, click Show Live Update Downloads. You can examine the revision and download time for content. If outdated, select Download Live Update Content to download new content. In addition to running Live Update from the local site section, you can also run Live Update from the SEPM homepage or the welcome screen. From a script, you can run lul.exe, which enables you to initialize a live update session from the SEPM. If you suspect that the SEPM is failing to publish updates from the database, the next place to review is the content folder in the inetpub directory. You can verify the name of the folder in the contentinfo.txt file. Here's an example of how the SEPM stores definitions and the folder relationship to store definitions in the inetpub content directory. The number of folders depends on the number of content revisions to keep. Incremental folders contain both forward and reverse deltas by sequence number. The folder with the latest sequence number contains a full set of definitions. Also ensure Use the default management server is enabled under Server Settings in the Live Update Settings policy. To check whether the server and client can communicate, check the policy serial number on the console and the client. The serial numbers should match. If the policy serial numbers do not match, you can try to manually update policies on the client computer and check the troubleshooting logs. To view the policy serial number in the console, click Clients, then under Clients, select the appropriate group. The policy serial number and date appear in the upper right corner of the program window. Note that the serial number and the date also appear at the bottom of the Details list on the Details tab. To view the policy serial number on the client computer, click Help, Troubleshooting, and on the Management tab, review the policy serial number. Determine what clients are downloading from the SEPM in the system log. The system log displays the content downloaded from the SEPM, network information, and if it downloaded, a full .zip or a delta. After establishing a plan of action, it's time to repair and validate. The following are examples of corrective actions. Enable legacy support in the SEPM site properties, run live update on the SEPM, address network communication issues, and resolve definition corruption issues. In this lesson, you learned how to describe the content update process between the client and management server, and you also learned how to troubleshoot and resolve content update issues. For more information about the topics discussed in this lesson, refer to the resources listed on the slide, and remember to frequently check the Semantic Support website. Thank you for watching this video.